Inox Wind gets board approval to raise up to 1,250 crore rupees via a rights issue. In a significant development in India's renewable energy sector, Inox Wind Limited, one of the country's leading wind energy solutions providers, has received board approval to raise up to 1,250 crore rupees through a rights issue. The announcement came on July 17, 2025, and was disclosed via a regulatory filing on the stock exchanges. According to the official statement, the Board of Directors approved the proposal to raise funds by issuing equity shares of face value 10 rupees each by way of a rights issue. A rights issue is a method through which a company offers additional shares to its existing shareholders in proportion to their current holdings, typically at a discounted price. This fundraising strategy is often employed to infuse fresh capital into the business without increasing debt. Inox Wind clarified that the fundraising initiative is subject to further regulatory approvals, including clearances as required under the Companies Act and the Securities and Exchange Board of India (SEBI) regulations. The company also mentioned that the detailed terms of the rights issue, such as the issue price, entitlement ratio, record date, and payment terms, will be finalized and announced in due course. The move is seen as a part of Inox Wind's broader plan to strengthen its balance sheet, reduce existing liabilities, and support upcoming projects in the renewable energy space. Given the Indian government's push for clean and sustainable energy, this capital could help Inox Wind expand its operations and improve project execution timelines. On the stock market front, shares of Inox Wind closed at 167 रुपये और 18 पैसे on the National Stock Exchange, NSE, gaining 0.43% just before the news broke. This was in contrast to a 0.4% decline in the benchmark Nifty, reflecting investor optimism in the company's future prospects. Market analysts are also bullish on the stock. As per data from Bloomberg, 8 out of 9 analysts tracking Inox Wind have issued a buy rating, with only one suggesting a hold. The consensus among analysts indicates a 12-month target with an upside potential of nearly 36.8%, showing strong confidence in the company's growth trajectory post-fundraising. Over the past year, the stock has shown modest gains, up 0.41%, although it has dropped 7.65% year-to-date. The proposed capital infusion is expected to boost investor confidence and provide financial flexibility for new and ongoing projects. Inox Wind's fundraising move is timely, especially with increasing demand for renewable energy infrastructure and India's ambitious green energy targets. Investors and market watchers will now be keenly awaiting the announcement of the rights issue details, including the record date and pricing. In conclusion, the 1,250 crore rupees rights issue marks a strategic financial step for Inox Wind, aiming to enhance its market position and capitalize on growth opportunities in India's renewable energy sector. Stay tuned as we bring you more updates once the terms of the issue are finalized.